Python while loop. The Python while loop is used to run a specific code until a certain condition is met. While loop is usually used when the number of iterations are known. Whereas in while loop is used when the number of iterations are unknown, as against the for loop that you use when you know the number of iterations you want to run. So let's go. To create a simple while loop, we have to set an initial value, because like we said, we know how many numbers we want to do, right? So let's say we want to go to 10. Then the first thing you do is you say while counter. So this is the condition. While counter is less than 10, what should it do? It should print I am number counter. Then you have to set a condition. So you say counter is equal to counter plus 1. So this ensures that when the first while loop runs, it checks if counter is added addition. If you add 1 to counter, it runs back again to run the loop till this condition is met. So let's run this. We have a problem somewhere. Okay, so we just have to troubleshoot. So what we have here, counter is equal to 10, while counter is less than 10, which is always true, so it's not going to run. So let's start from 0. So while counter is initially 0, so because we are going to increment it here, so there is no need to put 10 here, we only set the condition here. So let's go. As you can see, I am number 0 to number 9, and when it got to 9, it became 10, but counter is not less than 10. 10 is not less than 10, so the condition stops. All right, so you could actually do a lot with this. So we could do something like initial and final. So initial value is let's say 0, then final is 10. So while initial is less than final, then you print out I am number initial, and instead of writing it like this, counter is equals to counter plus 1 or initial is equals to initial plus 1, we can do it in shorthand and say initial plus equal to 1. Let's run this, and it goes again, I am number 0 to I am number 9. We can also use the else statement with this. So else, we can say something like I am done counting. Save. Let's rerun this. Let's make this 5. And as you can see, I am 0 to I am number 4. Then it says I am done counting. So this is it on Python while loop. I'll see you in the next one.